Secure your 6 and 7 round magazine. Assume a good kneeling position.
Take your time. Get closer, go closer.
Over here, and I got a flip foot, so.
Good? Yes? Okay. The next iteration is going to be 5 and 5 from the crouching, okay? Automatic magazine change. Safe to fire. Engage your target.
Thank you very much for
Oh, yes, sir.